My life in the future. Hello, today we are going to talk about your future. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Where will you live in 10 years? I will live in Bogota, Colombia. It will be a big, modern and more technological city. I will also be safer and more organized than today. What job will you have? I will have a professional job. I am going to work helping people and I will earn good money. What will your daily life be like? My daily life will be very active. I will wake up early, I will work, and I will also have time to relax and enjoy with my family. What will relationships be like in the future? I think relationships will be more digital, but also more flexible. People will communicate more through technology. What places will you visit? I will visit Europe because I am very interested in the architecture of several countries such as France, Italy, and Spain. I would also like to visit La Plante at Christmas because it's very iconic. I would also like to visit New York City because of these buildings, nightlife, culture, and of course its Christmas atmosphere. What will you be able to do that you can't do now? I will be able to travel more, but my own house and help my family. What things will you enjoy the most? I will enjoy spending time with my family and friends, traveling and getting to know my country and other cultures. I will also enjoy having the opportunity to go to concerts, attend talks, and watch movies with the people I love. What things won't you do? I won't watch type of negative things. I will focus on my goals. How will cities be in the future? I think cities will be highly technological, smart, and more sustainable than today. They will use advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and renewable energy to improve people's quality of life. Transportation will be faster and more efficient with electric and autonomous vehicles, reducing pollution and traffic. Buildings will be more modern and eco-friendly, using smart systems to save energy and water. How will jobs be in the future? I think jobs will be mostly remote, allowing people to work from home or anywhere in the world. Companies will use advanced technologies to optimize time and human resources. Many tasks will be automated with artificial intelligence and digital tools, so people will focus more on creative and strategic work. Work environments will be more flexible and employees will have better work-life balance. Overall, jobs will be more efficient, technological, and adaptable to people's needs. Thank you for your time.